Maximus Analysis here for July 19th, 2016, and we see we had another very choppy day. And this is the price action going back to the 14th, which I think is last Thursday. And you can see that we've been trading a very tight range so far. So you can see that we've been trading sideways again here, or you can even put a secondary box here to say we've been in this very tight range so far. Again, pops up, pop up, back for ping pong, coming into a high area from the Brexit 2119.50 high. Very hard to short a boring market. So again, if you're trading, I would suggest you hold tight. Reason why I'm saying that is because again, you've probably wanted to be busy. Trading, you want to seem as if a trade equates to work. Fortunately, you can get worked trying to get worked. And the reason why I'm saying that is because you can try to ping pong all these and just get chopped to death versus waiting for stuff to be clear and precise versus trading a mess like this. So you go break it down on the daily time frame and you can see how small these candles are, but you don't want to short a boring market. But again, we know that we're at some extreme levels. But again, if you read my newsletter, it tells you what is going on potentially with what the volume would look like. So if you don't have a copy of the newsletter, you can email me at MaximusAnalysis.com, MaximusAnalysis@gmail.com, and I will shoot you over one, no problem. So with that boring day, we have the NQ. Let's go through these quickly. Again, another doji type of candle, nothing really to look at here. Okay, still above these highs, which we've mentioned on previous videos. You had the YM, 24 bucks on the 24 points on the is basically just flat. That could be just a little bit of Goldman or a little bit of Nike and everything else just kind of there. You also have CL, which again is down about 64 bucks. So again, like I said, that line in the sand for me is 43.12. Let's look to see if that's going to hold. If that doesn't, if it closes below there on a weekly basis, I will look to see what type of close it is and play accordingly. But that's my line to say, and this is 43.12 area. Okay, gold was basically just kind of flattish right now. I want to see if they're going to hold or continue for some more pulling back, basically to get to these highs around 1305. So big news happened overnight was that Netflix got pounded. A gap down. If you look at the weekly, you can see that this makes it that they're coming right into this previous this support area. Again, I want to see where this week closes. If it holds and rips back to the upside, which where's the sound? It's been that type of market again. So we'll continue to watch how this looks. But again, you can see that the lower highs in place at these areas are still holding here, here, and here. Not a type of pattern that I like. Again, you can see how sideways it has been. This is from August 2015, not making any new highs from basically December of last year. No, the year, yeah, of last year. So let's look at some other names. Again, Facebook is continuing to look fairly good. I did not like this pattern, so I'm not trading it because it's just grinding sideways. You can see, again, if you're on the newsletter, I explain in a small portion about trade education, about what typically can be healthy and what is considered grinding. You can see here what I'm talking about. Google, again, didn't do much after yesterday's real high marks. So we'll continue to watch that, see where we're going. We know we're testing this resistance area plus this resistance area here. You have Priceline down about 14 bucks, which again is not much for this type of name. Weekly is trash right now. You can see how sideways it has been with bearish candles, no follow through at all. You have one bearish candle, shooting star, bearish candle again, bullish candle again. Now just sideways into this chop. I'm going to leave that alone. I want a better trade setup, quite honestly. So we'll continue to watch that. And again, I wanted to play this little game. Do you want to play a game? You guys probably remember that movie from the 80s. It was like computer game or something like that. It's a real corny reference. And honestly, somebody's like, wow, this guy really went there. But just wanted to show you guys without showing the name. Want to go over, because there wasn't much going on in the market. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this price action? Okay, I'm giving you a lot of information. What do you think about this price action? This is the 200-day moving average. The reason why I don't like putting a lot of moving averages on there, I want you to look at stuff without it. I want you to look at the price action. Look at the price action. Then you can have your assessment. Then slap off on your moving average and see if it lines up with what you do. So first thing I will start off, again, when we did this last time, this is a daily time frame. So that was the first question I would ask. Again, thanks, Frank. He's a guy that's really been helpful to me for a long period of time for providing me a chart. Wanted to just share it out there. First thing I want to ask is what time frame you do. Now, what are your thoughts in regards to this chart? Okay, just start breaking it down slowly but surely. Start putting some. I mean, I'm trying my best not to do anything right now. But what would be your thoughts in regards to trading this on the daily time frame? Okay, what are you seeing? This is giving you an ample amount of information. But come on, I want to see what you guys think. We can work on assessing and doing some educational stuff based on what you think on this chart. So let me know what you think. Matter of fact, I'll give you the ticker. APA. APA is the name of this ticker. Tell me what you think about it, and we'll assess it tomorrow on a separate video using the comments below. All right. So let's see what these markets do. Again, I think the ES is at 21.58 right now. I think Microsoft actually had earnings, so I think again they always set things up. Let's see where they open. I think it was at 55 or something like that. So let's see where they go from here. And because again, earnings, this could be up, and next thing is all the way back down. So let's see where we open in the morning. And because that will put it at a really good spot on the daily time frame. That puts it around here. But again, on the weekly time frame, we also want to see that it puts us right about here. That's a good spot. So we'll see where we go from there. All right, take care, and let me know what you guys think about API. Okay.